This module gives tuition on syncing or transferring information to and from the app. Syncing should be done at least once per month or when internet access becomes available. The tutorial also gives advice on how to connect to the internet using Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot. You will then learn how to update to the latest app version through the Android Play Store. Syncing lets you download and view new resources, Bible versions, and information. It also backs up your sermons, bookmarks, and other data on your device. Therefore, it is essential that you sync as often as you can. To view the sync screen, tap the spinning arrows icon. If you haven't synced recently, a message will appear at the top of the portal screen until you do. When you tap the spinning arrows icon, you will see the screen change color. Also, a red spinning circle will appear for approximately 3 to 5 seconds to notify you that the screen is loading. Do not press anything during this process. The sync screen shows a green cloud and white arrow in the center. Before tapping this button to sync, you must connect to the internet. Your device is able to connect to the internet using a Wi-Fi or wireless signal. This can be done in one of three ways: using a broadband provider, a public Wi-Fi signal, or a mobile phone hotspot. You can connect to these services using their network name and a special password. This will be demonstrated shortly. Broadband offers a quick and direct access to the internet. It requires a telephone line or fiber cable and a box called a router to work. Each router has a unique network name and password. They are usually located underneath the box. However, many homes and churches do not have broadband. In that case, your device could connect to a public Wi-Fi signal. Some cafes or public buildings offer free or paid Wi-Fi internet access. They will give you a network name and a password to enter onto your device to use their service. You can also use a mobile smartphone like a Samsung Galaxy to connect your device to the internet. Using your phone as an internet signal is called a mobile hotspot or tethering. The process is different for every phone, but if you open the Settings app, look for a connection option or something similar. Then scroll until you find the mobile hotspot or tethering option. You will see the network name already entered. Type in a password only you will know. Mobile hotspots can be switched on and off as you need them. However, please note, you will need to have purchased mobile data before this facility will work. Try to limit using hotspots as they use up mobile data. When you have finished syncing, return to this screen and tap it off. To connect your device to a Wi-Fi signal or hotspot, you need to add it to your wireless network list. Tap the Home button at the bottom of the screen to hide the Learn app. Find the Settings app and tap on it. If it is not on your home screen, swipe around until you find it. The icon is usually a cog or gear symbol. To join a wireless network, look for the settings called Network and Internet or something similar, then tap on it. WLAN is another term for wireless. Tap on this icon to view all available network connections. Find the network name and tap to open the password screen. Tap on the password field and type in the correct password. Be sure to enter the right letters and numbers with no spaces. To add uppercase letters or symbols, tap the keys at the bottom left of the virtual keyboard. This will give you extra options when typing. When you have added the password, tap Connect. If everything is correct, this password screen will disappear and a small Wi-Fi icon will display at the top of the device. Once a network is saved, you shouldn't need to add the password again. Your device will automatically detect the network signal and connect to it when it is switched on. Once you are connected to the internet, it's time to sync your device. The Learn app should still be open, but you will not see it if it is covered by another app. Tap on the square button at the bottom of the device to show all open apps. You can swipe them up and down, then tap on the Learn app to open it. You can also close apps by swiping them left or right. If the Learn app is not on this list, tap the Home button again, then tap the Learn app icon. The sync screen lets you download or save items. It will also upload or back up the information on your device. The process can take from several seconds to several minutes, depending on the speed of your internet connection and how much information needs to sync. Tap the green cloud to begin. A panel will show the progress. Do not touch anything while syncing and do not switch the screen or internet connection off. If you experience any errors while syncing, make sure your connection is strong and stable, then try again. If you receive an error message, write it down and contact Learn or your support liaison. When the sync is completed, a message will display saying that it was successful. You can sync as many times as you wish. Syncing saves your information onto Learn global systems as a backup if your device gets lost, broken or stolen. So if possible, you should sync every few days or whenever you can get internet connection. Learn Global adds new features and services throughout the year. To make use of these, your device needs to update to the latest version of the Learn app. This is done within the Google Play Store. The Play Store lets you update all the applications on your device or lets you choose one to update if you have limited internet connection. Tap the Home icon to return to the home screen on your device. You should see the Google Play Store app icon. You need to be connected to the internet to continue. Use the instructions from earlier to go online, then tap this icon to begin. When the Play Store app opens, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left. A panel will slide into view. Tap on the option My Apps and Games. If a new version of the Learn app is available, you will see it listed on the available updates. Make sure that your interconnection is stable and that you have enough data to download the new version. Then tap the Update button to begin. If you have broadband or access to large amounts of data and speed, you can choose to Update All. This process will take some time, but all the apps on your device will update to their latest versions. You can see the progress of each update on this screen or at the very top notification bar. You have now completed this module. To recap, close this video, then press the Start button to complete the summary questions before proceeding to the next module.